Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to scan any document on iPhone without any scanning application or anything like that. So if you want to scan any document on your iPhone and if you do not want to use any app, so how you can scan your documents with the simply iPhone. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now if you search for the scanning apps, then you will find many apps related to that, which means you can simply scan your documents which are from the apps which are available. Now if you do not want to use the app, then how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply first of all open the camera app, and after opening the camera app, you have to simply capture that document. And after capturing the document, what you have to do, you have to simply just open your photos app, and you have to first of all you have to simply copy that photo you have recently taken the document of, and after that you can simply click on that photo, and here you can simply find the option related to that that you can want to simply convert it to PDF. So here you can simply option available quick action. So here you can simply find convert image book. Moreover, you can also remove the background and also you can simply create a PDF. So if you want to convert into PDF, you can simply scan the document without any problem. So you can simply take the picture of that document, and after that you can simply convert it to the PDF, and after that it will be available as your PDF file. So in this way you can simply turn any photo document into PDF without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. Get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.